I noticed that you always discourage us about using but in the uh, first.
And or but if and so.
Hindi dapat yung gamitin.
Yeah, as much as possible. Like 99% of the time you shouldn't use that.
Because parang ano siya, parang link siya sa unang
Yeah, but it's not the same sentence, right?
yes.
For a lot of people, the problem is they make most of their mistakes when they compose longer, compound, complex sentences that use and or but to connect multiple thoughts. And you've completed lesson 7, so the reason why you have the schedule is because the admin checked and you passed activity 7. In activity 7, we taught you what it looks like. Like if you kept using and or but and tried to make your sentences long. Well, I wrote I wrote a sentence that has like 50 to 100 words, or I wrote several sentences that are that long. It's difficult to read. It's difficult to write. It's very painful to look at. Did you know this?
Yes, yes.
So for a lot of people, it's difficult to make corrections if that's how you compose. And I also noticed that when I was fresh out of college and I started working and I was composing emails and I thought that I had good English, all of my bosses complained because I was using compound and complex sentences. Like all of them. And you read the story.
Yes, yes, I read it.
You read the story. So that was it. When I began using these short sentences, my communication got a lot better. And I was able to land international accounts. I have a client that offered to pay me almost six-figure income.
Yeah, because it's easy to understand. It's more cleaner. It's cleaner than the paragraph.
Yeah. When you become an expert, you can like put 2 ideas every few sentences. That's fine. Or 2 ideas every maybe 5 or 10 sentences. Like that's fine. Because I still do that. I still sometimes have complex sentences in my lessons. But I try to keep it like 1 in every 10 or 1 in every 20 sentences. Because sometimes the only way to explain what you're trying to explain is using a complex sentence.
Yes.
But that shouldn't be the normal thing, right? The complex sentence is like a dessert, right? It's a dessert. You have dessert during special occasions. You don't have a dessert at every meal, right?